Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to pin a post on Instagram. So recently Instagram has added the option to pin your post on your Instagram, so I'll show you how to do that today. So first, open Instagram and then go to your profile page. Once you're here, find the post that you want to pin. I'll choose this random Ronaldo post I have. Once you're on the post, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the post, and this option will come up. Now here, all you are going to want to do is click on Pin to your profile. It should be near the bottom of all the options. Once you do that, then it will show up as the first post on your profile always. And it'll have a little pin in the corner of the post. Now if you want to unpin it, go to the post and then click on the three dots in the top right corner. Now all you have to click is Unpin from Profile and it'll unpin it from the profile. So you can have up to 3 posts pinned at the same time, I think. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.